thing, bro. My kids been throwing rocks and all this stuff in here. Get down. You want a fish, huh? Let me get it. You want a fish, huh? You want a fish? Let Daddy get you a fish! Dear Father God, thank you. Part 3. Dear Father God, thank you. I'm out here fishing with my sons, man. It ain't nothing but a blessing, a life, and a lesson. You feel me? And I say it's a life because people don't understand what life is, man. Life ain't nothing but a series of beautiful events. And here we are on part 3, and God done blessed us with a fish. Hey guys, let me stow this hook. Let me stow this hook. Boy. Open your mouth so I can show you to my kids. You know what? You going in the bag. Y'all want to know what I'm doing, huh? I don't lie, bro. I don't